So, hello everyone and welcome to a new video. And today in this video, it will be a little bit more different than the other ones where we just do different programming exercises and smaller projects. It will be a little bit larger project. We will be programming with the function block diagram, FPD programming at TIA Portal V19, where we would do a robot arm. I call it just robot project. You can call it whatever you want, where it will be in different steps of how a robot arm could work and how the programming is, a simplified version. So it will be a different parts video. So this video is part one, and in this video we will make a simple start stop function for the robot and make the two first steps programming steps for the robot to work. So the first thing you will do in this project is add new devices, create a new project, and add devices. So add a PLC, digital input, digital outputs, and analog inputs and analog output cards. So then we can go to program blocks. We add a new block, and then we just take function and make sure it says language FBD, and we call this just start stop. So in network one, we will add an OR block. Then we will add an SR block, start reset block, SR latch. And then we will have, as output, we will have an assignment block. And the IO tags in this will be, first we will have stop. And in the other one, we will have robot fault. And on the SR latch, we will have start robot. Or, yeah, start robot. And in the reset, we will have, oh, wait, I did wrong. We will have the OR block here on the reset one. And on this one, we will have start. Sorry. So this is how it's supposed to be. OR block with stop robot fault to the reset in SR latch, who is named start robot, and in the start function we will have start and then an assignment block as an output. It will say robot running, and just define all these tags. Then you can define them all as local temp or global inputs and the global outputs and global memory and all that. So I will do it like this. I will add this one who is inputs. I will make rewire. I did it as a global memory. It's supposed to be global input. This one will also be global input. This one can be global memory, I would say. And this one can be this is global output. And now in network 2 we will make the function for resetting the robot to normal or when it's a fault function or stop function. And here we will have an add block, and block, and another SR latch, and an equal assignment block as an output. And in this one we will have stop, and we will remove this one. You can have something else in another input to the and block, but I do this in this way. You could do it in another way with another tag, but I do it with just one input in the and block, and then we will have SR, and we call this SR block stop robot, and we won't have any tag as an output. Oh my god, we won't have anything in the we won't have anything in the reset part at this SR block. We will only have make it as stop robot, and here we will have robot fault. So in network 2, that programming function is for resetting the robot to normal state, or if it's something wrong, or after the stop function happen. And here, this is in network 3. You can do this function programming in many different ways, but I have done it in this way before. So we will have an S start function and an equal assignment block. We will have here, we will name it reset button. So it's the start for the reset button, and here we will have start robot. So after you press the reset button and the reset is activated, you can then start the robot and the robot will start running. You can make it as an input there too. So this is just a simple start and stop function for the robot to start and stop it and reset it. So now we will do the first step for the robot arm. After you have started it, this is the first step for what the robot will do then. So we can just name it step 1. And in here, we will just have in network 1, we will have an SR latch. Then we will have an AND block. And to the output of the AND block, we will have an assignment equal block. And we will name the SR block step 1 down. So this is the first step. The first step is that the robot will go down, it will start, then it will go down, then it will go up, and then it will go down. So here we then have also start, define tag, input, and here we will have up, we'll name it up. And then you can have a not here also. So it's like on repeat, it can be on repeat always. And then on the output, we will have go down. So what's supposed to happen here on step 1 for the robot is the function and the robot starts. And when the robot starts and already is up, it starts with the first step to go down. So now we're done with step 1. And now we will do step 2. So add a new block, a new function block. Here we will have also an SR latch block. and we will name it step 2 grab. So this is when it starts, it stays up, and it go down, and then it will grab whatever it is supposed to grab. Start, and in the start of the SR latch block we will have down, and then we will have in the output of the SR latch block we will have an assignment equal block as an output, and then we will have here also grab. No, it's a global output. So what this programming does with the robot after the first step, when it starts when the arm is up and then starts to go down. This is the next step. This step 2 is after you have started the robot and have come down to the object it's supposed to grab. The robot grabs it and stays down, and then yeah, it we will see what's happened in the other steps. But this is part 1 of uh, TIA Portal FBD programming for the robot project. So now I have shown you guys how to program start, stop, and reset function for starting the robot arm, and then step 1 for it to go down, to start up and then go down, and step 2 of it when it goes down, it's grab the object. And you can also name the block, rename it step 2. So I hope you guys like this video, and I see you guys in the next part of this project. Have a good day. Bye.